Good morning. I wanted to touch base with you and go over this Assure model so that we can be on the same page when it comes to the lesson of copyright rules that you will be teaching the students. Our Assure model, as you know, begins with the letter A, which is analyze. Before you teach the lesson, think about your students in your class. What are their needs? How will they be able to handle this assignment? Some students might need notes beforehand, others might speed through it really fast. And what can you do to extend their learning? The next letter we have S is stands for state objectives. You're going to talk about the end goal that you want your students to know and understand by the end of the lesson. What do you want them to walk away knowing? And what's the best way for you to state the objectives? We have one more S, which stands for select, modify, or design materials. You're going to study your materials and think about what materials do the students need to have in order to be successful. How will you obtain this material? What modifications do you need to make with the materials? And then we have utilize materials. So you're going to put the materials to use. You'll think about what the steps the students will need to follow when using the materials. How do they access the materials and where do they put it away when they are done? R stands for require learner participation. All must participate. What does it look like to have full student participation? What should students be doing? This might require a demonstration to show the students what is expected. And our final E stands for evaluation. How will your students be evaluated? You're going to refer students to the rubric that I have created and also be giving them a summative assessment at the end of the unit. All right, have a great day.